Now here's something to consider. Most of them nowadays has this little energy guide on there and stuff. And these are more energy efficient too, by the way. Even if your old wall mount air conditioner or window air conditioner is still working, chances are it's working overtime. It's costing you more money than you're saving had you buy a new air conditioner. And most states, they have a program where you can send in and get a rebate. And you might be able to get $50 rebate for changing out your air conditioner, or a $75 rebate. It just depends. Ask your local state how to go about that. You might have to Google energy saving and air conditioner and put in your state or whatever, see what comes up, and then it might make a difference. This is a 12,000 BTU unit. They might say, hey, 12,000 is fine. Anything less than 12,000, no, we're not going to give you anything, or we're going to give you $50 for an 8,000 and $75 for a 12,000. Or, you know, about a year and a half ago, they said, no, we're not doing air conditioners anymore. We're only doing dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, and washing machines, stuff like that. But look at your local area, ask some questions, because you might get a deduct, you might get a rebate. You have to send in a copy of your receipt and all that kind of stuff, and you may get $75 back. And if you're replacing 3 of them, hey, that's $250, $225 right there, right? So think about that and check that out.